Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we will be covering Excel formatting, and by the end of this session, you will understand how to properly format your data to make it clear, organized, and visually appealing. You will learn how to apply styles, adjust layouts, and highlight important information effectively. Let's get started. So you are welcome back. We are looking at Excel formatting. First, we'll start with bold, italics, and underline. So let's go back to our data. When we look at this data, it's still the same. It's just the same. We have headers. The headers and let's say their values, they are still the same. So now, Excel formatting, this session will help us. This lesson will help us to give that hierarchy. So now let's get started. For bold, I'll just click on movie. If you come to where you have the font in your ribbon, home tab, fonts group, you can see bold. Wow, I think this is now making sense. We have movie. This shows that, okay, this is the header, and these are the movies under it. You can do the same for actors. So you can remove it. You just click here. Then you can just select the whole column, the whole row, and make everything bold. Even if you enter something here again, let's say rate, it's still bold. Now italic, this is italic. I think so. You just make your write-up. You just italize your write-up. Then underline. This is underline. Just give a line beneath. So that is bold, italics, and underline. So let's look at border. Let's assume I will select these three cells. I'll come here. Look at this place. This is where you have your border. You have the top, the left. So I'll just use all. If you notice that this particular Robert, De Niro, Jerry, and James, it just kind of like stand out among others. Maybe in a situation that you actually want to make a particular some cells stand out, so you can use border. So you can say no border, you can remove it. You can use the top border, just give the border at the top. You can use left, so as the case may be. So the next thing is fill and fonts. So we have fill color and we have font color. Fill color, you look at this is the fill color and this is the font color. Fill color will give color to the background. You press on the drop down, you see a lot of colors you can choose from. If I choose this one, to just give the cells, to just give it a background of blue. Then if I come to font color, I can change this to yellow. The text will now be yellow. So that is the difference between the fill color and the font color. The fill color gives background color and the font color gives color to the text. It can be the text, the number, like the value. Now mesh and center and alignment. So okay, further I will do alignment. Like I said, by default, everything is aligned to the right. We want to take them to the center, to the left. You can do it. So if you come here, you say center, left, right. Just play around with it. Like this one is the bottom align, middle align. So this one now, what this one means is that, okay, let me take everything back to the right. Okay, let me drag this down. Okay, now you can see that. So now this is mid, center, left, right, center. Now if I put it here, it will just take it down to the center top, so you can see how it's working. Bottom, so that is just it. So I will just go back and make it all right. So now that's alignment, mesh and center. I will create a new, I will insert a new row, and I will call this row favorite movie. So let's assume these are my favorite movies. Now I want to make it like the bigger header, or I want to place it at the center. So how do I do that? All these fainted lines here should be removed. So this is where my table stops. So I will just select everything, click and drag till I get to the last one. Then I will come to this, it mesh and center. I'll come to mesh and center. So it's going to give me like 1 pixel from to the end of my data. Then it will now place the text at the middle. So I can apply a color to it, can make this white, so I make it bold. You see now we have this already. We already have this. So we have, with the knowledge so far, you can do something like this. So that is it about Excel formatting.